Cute ng restaurant nila. Restaurant and bar. Anyway, hanap na tayo ng ordering. Picturean ko na lang to tapos post ko sa page ko, mga mare. Lemon beer. Parang di naman siya lemony. I was hoping it's a little bit sour, pero hindi. Para lang siyang San Mig or lighter Red Horse. Pagod yung lola nyo. Kaso may meeting pa ako mamaya. I'll have this dinner and then I will work dun sa common area for a bit. Amoy masarap naman siya. Actually, hindi ko na-gets kung ano yung sinabi niya about this eh. Ano ba to? Ah, soup. Okay. Ito talaga yung plato. Ay, kutsara ganyan talaga. O panghalo lang to. Panghalo lang siguro to, no? Talagang perfect talaga ang Japanese pagdating sa soft-boiled egg. Ah, okay. I think you're supposed to mix it. Parang Chinese clay pot rice, right? So, you wanna scrape the bottom. Is that what you wanna do? Yes, that's what you wanna do. Okay, so I guess we mix it. Amoy siya, baka. Amoy healthy. You know what it tastes like? Para siyang bulalo. And I say that because, you know how when we cook bulalo, talagang we simmer the beef para super lambot at saka super fragrant. Ganito siya. Para siyang beef times 10. Yung pagka-savory niya. Yung pagka-beef niya. Super malasa. Hindi siya maalat, mga mare, ha? Don't confuse what I'm trying to say. Very beefy lang siya. Masarap. Tsaka yung salt niya parang healthy salt lang. Sarap. Yung food ng katabi ko mas masarap. Kaso mas mahal. Halos 5,000. Pakita ko sa inyo yung picture nun. Tsaka gwapo si Kuya. Nahiya lang ako kausapin. Sabihin ko sana, ang sarap naman ng pagkain mo. Huy! May balak pang kumausap ng AFAM. Charot. Kami lang kasi yung nag-iisa dito. Napansin nyo, medyo lumakas yung loob ko mag-vlog na yun. Dati diba nahiya ako na like, if there are people around me. Now I just pretend that they're invisible or I'm invisible. Anyway, nobody cares. Everybody's doing their own thing. Ang ganda ng vibe ng hostel na doon. It's the aftermath. Masarap. Dashi pala to. No, it's a broth na may dashi flavor. Can I just highlight na napansin ko dito sa Japan, or maybe nasabi ko na to nung first trip ko, na they always give you a towelette. Okay, now that I'm done with it, I just figure out why it's called lemon beer. May lemon pala siya sa loob. Hindi ko napansin kanina. E di sana para dinurog-durog ko siya. Nagreklamo pa ako na hindi sour, diba? Pumunta ako ng 3rd floor. Just to check. So this is what they call the kitchenette. Water dispenser yan. My fridge. My microwave. You can borrow things. Siyempre, you have to wash it pagtapos mong gamitin. And then in here, they have a community space. It's open until 10 p.m. So since I'm staying in the dorm room, this is actually a perfect spot for me to have a meeting. Grabe yung lumalabas na init sa vent. Naka-heater. Okay, this is our dessert. Let's try. Alam nyo na hindi naman ako talaga mahilig sa mochi. Ay, not mochi. I mean, mahilig ako sa mochi but not matcha. But let's still try it. These are two of the ingredients I'm not the most fond of. Super soft and fluffy ng matcha. The red bean is rightfully sweet. Maganda rin yung texture. However, I'm still not a fan of matcha. Feeling ko yung mahilig sa matcha with combination of red bean, maa-appreciate to. Kasi masarap naman siya eh. Hindi lang talaga ako fan. So, I don't wanna say that it's not good. It is good. I'm just not a fan of matcha until now. I thought this would change things. Char! Ngayon na matanda na ako. Char! Daming arte ko, no? Meron silang buffet breakfast pala kasama sa binook ko. So really not bad, no? With what I paid for. Hindi ko na video yung nandun. Kasi kanina, super daming tao, nakakahiya. Anyway, this is probably the weirdest combination. And they have lots of juices. This one is grapefruit. Pero feeling ko hindi. Bakit ganyan? Sobrang sarap ng sausage nila. Actually, yung bacon masarap din. Or, I don't know if it's bacon or ham. This one, sobrang snappy nito. Ang hirap nga tusukin, no? Mga tumalon. So, I got more. It's really good. And then, coffee. And then, instead of grape juice, this time, it's orange juice. Yung mga juice nila dito, okay sila kasi hindi sila matamis. I don't think they're freshly made. Probably box juice, pero mukhang masarap yung quality. And then salad. Beautiful nung salad selection nila, no? Anyway, wala nang tao sa buffet later. I'm gonna take a video. Video ko bago pa dumami ulit yung mga tao. Okay yung breakfast nila, no? I think I paid 6.5 yen for this room. Kasama na yung onsen. Kasama na yung buffet breakfast. And I think that's quite nice here. That's what makes it nice here. At saka, ang lapit niya sa Gora Station. Mabilisan lang habang walang tao. You have to leave your slippers outside. This is in the changing room. Dito, kailangan mo nang tanggalin yung robe mo. And then they have posted rules about this onsen. Tattoo friendly pala sila, by the way. Ay! Muntik pa ako madulas. May shower dito. And look at this. Dapat, bago ka mag-onsen, maligo ka muna. You have to sit down when you take a bath. And then, lulublob ka dito. Pag lublob mo dyan, hindi mo pwedeng basain yung ang ganda, no? Sobrang sulit naman dito. Hindi mo pwedeng basain yung ay, grabe ang init. Kahit pala umaga, sobrang init pa rin. Yung sodas, after onsen, pwede kang kumuha ng isa. Ito, libre lang. Help yourself to chill in Hakone. What? Ganyan ang view from here. Picturean natin.